In the last video, I showed you our beautiful campground, which was free, that we found on iOverlander. I showed you around on some hikes that we did in the area, and today I'm going to show you what hikes there are at the trailhead at the campground. The first hike that we're going to do today is Steelhead Falls. This is the Steelhead Falls trail. It's only half a mile down into the actual falls. Keeps going a little bit, but this is right off our campsite. So we're going to do it early this morning before everybody else gets here. The second hike we did today is in Crooked River Ranch. It is a really cool hike. It's only about 2 miles, but it's a strenuous one. And here are some videos of it now. The third hike we did today is called Foley Waters, which is also at the campground, and it walks alongside the Deschutes River. Thanks again for joining me on the video, and I'll see you on the next one.